Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson, we have add the check session service so that every time we initialize a component, the check session method will be sent out automatically from the onInit lifecycle hooks for Angular 2. And in this lesson, we'll try to implement the logout functionality. Okay, so first we come up to our backend. We will be defining a logout endpoint. Request mapping, and this would be logout. Method would be a post, and this should be value equal to response entity. It will be simply do a context order dot clear context, and then return a new response entity. Okay, and let's rerun this application. Meanwhile, we can come back to our login service. We're gonna add logout mapper. So this would be logout. This would be logout, and we'll use the post mapper instead of get. Okay. So backend has started successfully. That's good. And we can come back to our navigation bar components, and we can define a logout. And this would be calling the login service logout mapper. And if it's successful, we basically just reload. Otherwise, we'll print out the error. Okay. And the next thing is we need to come back to our template and define the click event on the logout button. So let's save and come back to our we have the traffic recording turned on, so let's see whether we can log out. Okay, we have some error going on here. Let's see. It's unauthorized. We have the well, it looks like there's something wrong with our post because we don't see our xof header, xof token. We're having this empty string parameter. Okay, I think the problem is that within the login service here, we need to pass some kind of like data. Let's put an empty data here. Come back, log out again. Still getting this error. Okay, there might be something related to that. The default Spring Security logout path is the /logout. So there might be a conflict on that. So let's change the endpoint from logout to user logout. And then we can start to run it again. And we also need to change the path, the endpoint path for login service to user/logout. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try to log in. We have the network turned on to record events. Try to log in. So we have login, and we haven't refreshed the page automatically yet. So after login, that should be under the login component. Let's comment this out and comment this. So we can log out. Okay, that's looking good. So we have the transaction of logging out and refresh the page, and the check session will be invalid because we have logged out, right? That's why it says it's unauthorized. But if we just log in, after we log in, the page got refreshed automatically, and we can see the button displayed, and we can log out, refresh. Okay, so that's looking good. All right, so it looks like our login functionality and logout functionality is working fine. So that's pretty much for this lesson. So far we have developed the backend part for Spring Security, Spring Session, and hook it up with the database. And also we have the front end developed as well. We are going to talk with the backend so that the user can log in and log out. We also has the session, all those methods and services developed for our active session. When we log in, the session should be active. When we log out, the sessions should be deactivated. Okay, so that's the first step in our project. And in the next lesson, we'll continue to develop our components. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.